All right, welcome to part two of this, where now we are in our web host management system, where most of you, if you are a reseller, you will have a web host management system. Obviously, that's how you register your accounts and all that good stuff like that. Okay, so when you log into the feature already in the previous setting up the whole WHM and setting up your accounts, that's a whole nother tutorial, and adding packages and all that, that's a whole nother tutorial which we have went over before, and most of you should have received that within the training material that was sent out to you when you signed up as resellers. But you can also always visit the Hostmasters YouTube page. You can go on our YouTube page, there's tons of tutorials for that. So when we go in when we go in here, we're going to go to create account. Okay, and normally this is automatically done for us by by the um, what you call that system, by our system and everything. But I'm just showing you the manual way to do that. I'll also have tutorials with how it would look if you would do that through the system, because this would already be done for you. All right, so we're going to automatically just go ahead and put the website there. Okay, we're gonna give it a username and password. So you can either do like a password generator if you wanted to, or you can give them something that's like easy to remember. Okay, I'm just going to, well, no, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna give them a, because I'm recording this. So I'm gonna do a video. So it's gonna, okay, and then I'm going to put the email in, and I don't know it. I think that's the. I gotta find the email. One second. Okay. And then we're going to choose one of the packages that we have already done there. And okay, then we're going to say create. Now it is creating the account. Once it has created the account, we're going to be able to log into it. All right. So I always take the new account information there, and I'm just going to copy and paste it onto a thing. So okay, put that out there. So now if we go to list accounts, we'll be able to see the actual accounts. So it's Roman12global.com. Romans12global.org. Okay. Now once we do that, we're going to need to add a security certificate to that, okay, before we do anything else. So it's brand new, so nothing has provision, and it takes about 10 to 15 minutes for that to do. We do include the basic Let's Encrypt, which is going to give you a security certificate, which renews itself every 90 days. So if you go to SSL, just click SSL inside the search engine, the search bar here, and you click there. Then you're going to just say, I think it's this one, the bottom one. No. Sorry, let's go back. Okay, so SSL TLS status. Okay, so this already has it. As you see, it already validated, which means everything was pointed. If this is red, that obviously means your domain is not pointing to the name server, and You have to wait till the domain actually points to the name server in order for the SSL to automatically go. Okay, so the SSL certificate has already been installed by the cPanel. So in the next video, what we're going to do, now that we created the account and the SSL certificate is already installed, from there, the next part, we're gonna we'll install WordPress on here. Okay, you can do Weebly, WordPress, whatever you want to do. So it's all up to you.